Hello and welcome to maritimecamping.com. And in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you prepare photos for uploading to the gallery, as well as uploading photos to the gallery. So it's a pretty essential part of the online community. And I know there can be a little bit of confusion as to the best way to get photos from your computer or your smartphone into the gallery. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is sign into the website. So you'll know you're signed in or not if you see this sign in link up here at the right. So you're not signed in if you see it that it says sign in, or sign in, sorry. So I'm going to click on that. I've got mine set to remember me, so it remembers the password. As mentioned in the first tutorial, you can sign in using your Facebook or your Twitter account. But for now, I'm just going to log in with my username. And you'll know you're signed in because you'll see your username up here in the top right. So now what we need to do is talk a bit about photos, and you'll probably notice that the photos that your smartphone or your digital camera take by default are quite large. And that's a bit of a problem when uploading to sites like this with a photo gallery. So what you need to do is first reduce the size of the photo and then upload it. So there's a few easy ways you can do that. If you're familiar with programs like Photoshop, or you have a photo editing program on your computer, you can just resize it that way. Some smartphones probably have the ability to export photos at a smaller size as well. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you an example of this website here, which is called Pick Resize. And this is just a free website, and I'm sure there's many of them out there, that lets you select photo or photos on your hard drive and resize it to a different size. So for example, I have one photo that I want to resize. I'm going to select it. It's 5.7 megabytes by default. That was what my my iPhone took the photo as originally. So I'm going to choose that. And I'm going to continue. Again, this is just one example of what you can use that's out there for free to resize your photos. Okay, so there's the photo that I uploaded. Of course, it depends on the size of the photo, how long it will take to upload it to this site to change it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here to resize your picture, and I'm going to make it 75% smaller, because that's even big enough. You know, ideally maybe somewhere in the 500 to 800 pixels in width is ideal for uploading to a gallery like we have on Maritime Camping. I don't need any special effects, and I'm going to say I'm done. Resize my picture. Okay, here's my option. I'm going to say save to disk. And then boom, that picture is now saved. I'll move that photo from my downloads to my specific folder on my hard drive, and be right back with you. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is go back to Maritime Camping, and I'm going to go to the gallery. I have to be signed in. You have to be signed in to the site. So then you go over here and you click this upload button. And the first thing that it's going to ask you is, do you want to create a new photo album, select an existing album, or select an existing category? I'm going to select an album that's already there, which is this test album. And now you just go down and you choose file. So there's the resized picture. You can see the difference here. 5.7 megabytes was the original, and the resized one is now only 153 kilobytes, just a fraction of the original size. So that is definitely the one that we want to upload. I'm going to click choose, and then click this upload button, and it should only take a few seconds because that file is small. Okay, perfect. So there it shows a preview of the file, of the photo. I'm going to click this review and publish. And this is where you can name the file. So I can say Riverside 2000, I think that was 11. You can add tags, which are just keywords to associate with your photos. So I'm going to say river. We can say Picto. Nova Scotia. Whatever you want to put there, you can have a maximum of 10 tags. And then you put your description in. Test photo. And you can make that as long as you want, and you can make it copyright yourself if you like. But anyway, that is how you upload a photo. And then I'm going to click Finish and Publish. And there's the photo. The photo has been uploaded. I can click on it here to see it in full size. That's plenty big enough for any photo gallery online. And as well, if you click on the home page, you'll notice that it shows the recent gallery images. And there is the photo that I just uploaded there. So if you upload some photos and people are on the home page of maritimecamping.com, they'll be sure to see that they're in the recent photos. And you can just click on it quickly that way. So that is how you upload to the gallery. I should also mention that there are ways to embed these photos in your discussion topics. So for example, if I want to embed that photo that I uploaded into a discussion that I'm talking about, here's how I would do that. You just go to the photo as if you're viewing it, and you click on this options tab here, this options button, and you'll know down at the bottom, you'll see down here at the bottom it says share links. So I'm going to click on that. And what this does is it gives you different code options to embed that on other web pages. So in this case, the BB code is what we need to embed it within a discussion on this website. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to copy that. You can do that various different ways. And then I'm going to go to the forums on the home page, and let's just say I wanted to explain how that is done, or there's a discussion taking place that I want to embed that photo in. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'll just create a new one. For example, family camping. Let's put it in there. I'm going to say start a new topic. I'll delete this right after I do. Test photo in topic. Okay, so I can say here is one of the photos uploaded in the gallery. And then all I do is paste that code in, just like that. Just copy and paste. I copied it originally, paste it in there, and then I'm going to say post new topic. And there's the photo right there. And the code also creates a link to that photo in the gallery. So that's pretty handy that way. Now, the other reason I wanted to mention this is that you can also embed other code. Like if you already have a photo album on PhotoBucket or something like that, where it's a photo sharing service, they provide code that you can use, share code, that you can then copy and embed in these forum discussions as well. So that is the tutorial on how you upload photos to the gallery, and also how you embed photos in a discussion on the site. So I hope that helps, and enjoy the website. Any questions, please let me know. It's just maritimecamping@gmail.com. Thank you.